It's not just a casual cruise down the beach. What you're seeing here is a rehearsal for a Guinness World Record attempt called Bike Breakers.
So we are here in beautiful sunny Jacksonville Beach and we're doing the practice ride for Bike Breakers, which is an attempt to break the Guinness Book of World Records for the longest single file line of bikes. So what better place to do that than right out here on the hard-packed sand of Jacksonville Beach. So we've got a couple hundred of our early adopters out here who are going to test it out for us. This is an event like no other. There's kind of no playbook for how to do this. So we're really trying to figure it out now with a smaller group so we can make sure when we have the big event on August 14th that we are ready to go.
We are going to break the Guinness World Record for largest bike parade or longest line of bicyclists moving. We're doing that on Jacksonville Beach, Neptune Beach in, August 14th. So that's a Friday night. You gotta come out. This is a community health event for charity. And look at this beautiful community. Look how fantastic everybody looks.
And this isn't a tiny attempt. They are aiming for thousands in one consecutive line.
We want to help pave the way for this world record attempt in August. This is going to be an amazing thing to see. I mean, we've got a couple hundred people here tonight, and imagine like over 2,000. So this is going to be a practice run so everybody can get a feel for what the pacing is like, how it's going to work with everybody in a single file, and it's going to be a blast.
And even the youngest riders are realizing this is a pretty big deal.
I'm 9 and I'm turning 10 pretty soon.
Are you a long-time bike rider?
Yes.
Pretty experienced?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think of this?
I think it's awesome.
Tonight was about making things break so that we can see what wasn't going to break on the record-breaking day. So it was about logistics, trying to see how people showed up, what they were unsure about, what were the blind spots, and to coordinate like the speed and the cadence and the flow to see if we can get everything organized in one session.
Billy Wagner says tonight's ride was all about logistics and beating the current record.
So currently it is held in Turkmenistan, and the record is 1,996 bicycles in a consecutive single line. And so that's what we're trying to break. We are shooting for 2,500 to 3,000 people, which will absolutely fill this area completely up. And that's what the goal is so that we can make sure we get across the finish line with the record. So.
The actual attempt is August 14th on Jack's Beach.
And we're like lining up right around Beach Boulevard and then going to Atlantic Boulevard, which is a 2-mile exact track from the pier to the One Ocean, or the new hotel now it's called Dunes, I believe. And so that's where we're going 2 miles directly, and then they're coming back on First Street to then celebrate the record at the end.
How many was that? How many was that? It was a lot.
The very next practice ride for Bike Breakers is this Friday at 5:30 sharp, and they are hoping to have 500 people participate. So if you want to be a part of things and ride in this next practice, which is just a few nights from now, go to jacksbikebreakers.com, scroll down on the page. There's a place to sign up for the practice ride. It will take you to an Eventbrite page. Free to come to do the practice ride, but they do want to know you're coming because there's free food and free drink afterwards, so they like to have the numbers.